So we're gonna jump right in for the video. This is gonna be a twist out tutorial. I am using two products from Garnier. The first one is the Garnier Fructis style curl treat. It is a smoothie like product. This is for defining, and then I'm gonna follow up with the jelly, which is a shaping product. I love using this last, especially because it does have a little bit of hole, which is perfect for something like a twist out. Now first, I'm just gonna make sure that section of hair, the right side of my head, is fully detangled. Then I'm just gonna split it off into two sections. I'm gonna part it right by my ear, so we have a back and a front section. Then I'm just gonna push the front section out of the way, and I'm gonna begin twisting my hair from back to front. Once I have those sections sectioned off, I'm gonna go in with my smoothie, and you see the amount of product that I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna smooth that onto the hair, and then I'm gonna go back in with my tangle teaser just to make sure things are as smooth as possible. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of that jelly and I'm gonna apply that right on top, and then I'm gonna begin twisting that section. I'm gonna try to use as much tension as I can, only because I really want these twists to come out as smooth as possible. So I'm just gonna go in once again with that tangle teaser, making sure what is happening, that the section is as smooth as possible, and then I'm gonna begin twisting. Alright, so the back is basically complete. Now we're gonna move our way to the front. I did speed this up a little bit just because you know, you did see me twist the back, so I really didn't want it to be too redundant, but I wanted to keep it at a somewhat not super sped up pace, only because I really want you all to be able to see this and how I'm smoothing the hair as I'm twisting it to make sure that the twists are as smooth as possible. You definitely want to make sure that your twists are going to be smooth. The sections of hair are going to be as smooth as possible, because that is going to guarantee one of the best twist outs that you have ever had. I promise you. Make sure that those sections of hair are smooth before you begin twisting them. I'm now on the last section of hair, so I'm just going to go in with my tangle teaser again, making sure that it is super smooth and detangled. I'm going to add my product. I'm adding that smoothie first, and then I'm layering the jelly on top, and then I'm going to begin twisting as tight as possible. So I actually sat under a hooded dryer for this, only because I really didn't have a lot of time to really air dry for this video. So I sat under the hooded dryer for about 45 minutes and alternated between medium and high temperatures. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of oil. I am using the Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, and I just applied that to my hands and really just smoothed it over the twist. Then I'm going to twist the twist in the opposite direction in which it was twisted to unravel. That's a mouthful. And then just unravel it that way. And then I'm just going to smooth the sections of hair as I'm going down, just to make sure that I'm keeping it as frizz-free as possible. Once I've unraveled all of my twists, I'm going to begin separating them. And to do that, I'm going to just apply a little bit more oil to my fingertips. And then I'm just going to begin pulling those sections apart. I like to pull them, like stretch them out as far as possible. And then I just usually split them down the middle, or sometimes into threes using my pointer finger normally. So I'm going to do that all over until I feel like the twists have been split, till they can't be split anymore. And then I'm going to begin the next and final stage, which is the actual fluffing aspect. Alright y'all, so this is the final part of the video. I'm just going to take my pick and begin fluffing my hair. I like to go in at the roots just for added volume, but sometimes I do like pulling that pick through the ends as well to make my hair super big. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope that you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.